Welcome to Unit 11, where we delve into the intriguing world of if it hadn't happened. Let's explore the form, meaning, and function of these expressions. Understanding the difference between present perfect and simple past is crucial. Use the present perfect for actions without a specific time, and the simple past when the time is clear. Here, we highlight the main differences between present perfect and simple past. Notice how the timing of events plays a crucial role in choosing the correct tense. Use the present perfect when the exact time isn't important, and the simple past when it is. This distinction helps in conveying the right meaning. Let's revisit the structure for affirmative sentences. Remember, it's subject plus has or have, followed by the past participle. For negative sentences, add not after has or have. This simple addition changes the meaning significantly. Forming questions involves inverting the subject and has or have. This structure is key to asking about past actions. Time expressions like ago, for, and since help specify the duration or starting point of an action, enhancing clarity and communication. The simple past form is straightforward. Use the base form for questions and negatives, and add ed for regular verbs and affirmatives. Expressions like yesterday, last, and ago are commonly used with the simple past to indicate specific times. Deciding between present perfect and past simple depends on the context. Here, lived indicates a completed action in the past. The present perfect tense is perfect for recent actions. Has just arrived shows an action that has occurred very recently. Use the present perfect to talk about experiences. Have already gone indicates an action completed at an unspecified time. The past simple is ideal for specific past events. Played clearly indicates an action that happened yesterday. Can and could are used to express ability. Can is for present abilities, while could refers to past abilities. We use can for present abilities and could for past abilities. This distinction helps in expressing capabilities accurately. May and can are used to express permission. May is more formal, while can is commonly used in everyday situations. Use can and may to grant permission, and can't and may not to refuse. This helps in setting clear boundaries. Can and could are used for requests, with could being more formal. Adding please makes the request even more polite. When making requests, can and could are followed by a subject and base form of a verb. This structure ensures politeness and clarity. Let's explore how we use can to express ability. For example, I can ride a scooter. This shows what someone is capable of doing. Next, we use can to make requests. Can I borrow your pen, please? Is a polite way to ask for something. Can is also used to give permission. When you say, you can borrow this book, you're allowing someone to do something. Could is used to talk about past abilities. For instance, Ali could swim when he was 5, highlights a skill he had in the past. Now, let's look at conditional sentences. If I had bought a car, I would be able to travel anywhere. This shows a hypothetical present ability based on a past action. We use would have been able to express missed opportunities in the past. This structure helps us reflect on what could have been. Would be able is used for hypothetical abilities in the present and future. It helps us imagine possibilities based on different conditions. Consider this. If I had got enough money, I would be able to buy a new phone. This illustrates a present hypothetical ability. Reflecting on past actions, if I had studied hard, I would have been able to pass the exam, shows a missed opportunity due to past choices. If I had worked overtime, I would have been able to finish building my house. This sentence expresses regret over a past decision. Imagine having more time. If I had got enough time, I would be able to visit my friends, shows a wishful thinking about the present. Finally, practice makes perfect. Complete the sentences with can, could, and may to master their usage in different contexts.